I have a Apple Watch here, Series 6. I'm going to show you how to change the replacement bands. Okay, so very, very simple. So this is a 44 millimeter. This is the one that actually came with my Series 6 here. And if you look at it, you can see the little metal right there. There's no metal on this side, only on this side. So this side is going to go on the bottom. Okay, so the screen is here. You want to put that metal down here. You just slide it in, and you hear like a click. And same thing on this side here. We'll go ahead and slide this in. Heard a click. There you go. If you want to go ahead and take it off, you have this button here. Go ahead and press it and then slide it out. Same on the other side. That button, press the button and then slide it out. Okay, and it's the same thing. Even all these other replacement bands, it's all the same thing. Okay, you can see the little metal part back there on these. And just FYI, some of these Apple replacement bands, you can basically just get something like this and you can snap these in place. Even like this one right here, you can actually just pop these right into the band. Okay, and I'll just show you really fast. Let me go ahead and I want this gold one on here. So the gold one here, you can see that. So this part is going to be on the bottom. You can see that little metal thing on there. There's nothing there, and there's one right here in the middle. Okay, so this is going to slide in like this. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in just like this. So you can see that little metal thing, the middle one, the metal. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this in. Heard a little snap. There you go. And then I'll go ahead and slide this one in as well. Snap. There you go. Ready to rock and roll. Pretty simple.